Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to share unbiased Vola Joy's reviews. Friends, first let me tell you that this is not our website. So if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. Vola Joy's is gaining the attention of the individuals in the countries like Canada and the United States. And this is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are boots, slippers, sneakers and women clothing. That too at very affordable prices. And we can see that the products available are in many different colors and sizes. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So customers can pay through PayPal, Visa, MasterCard and American Express. Friends, let's check the shipping information now. So the link of shipping information is not working. So we have extracted the information for you through desktop. The estimated shipping time along with shipping cost is directly stated. The shipping fee is different for different countries and the time taken to deliver the order is 3 to 7 business days. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon, because this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for our viewers. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the website. So guys, Vola Joy's have SSL certification and is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 28th October 2020. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new. Now let's take a look at About Us section to know more about this website. So here we can see that the Vola Joy's claims to be one-stop solution for today's most daring, exciting and edgy fashion shoes. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So friends, here on the official page only an email ID is provided, which is help@volajoys.com. Friends, owner's information, company's address and its contact number is not available, which is a negative sign. Now let's have a look on return policies. So here we can see that Vola Joy's offers 50 days return warranty and refund will be initiated within 3 to 5 working days, either in the original payment method or in PayPal account. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return refund, do mention us in the comment section below. And talking about Vola Joy's reviews guys, so we found positive reviews on the official website, but we could not find even a single customer review on other reliable platforms. In addition to this, Vola Joy's lacks presence on social media platforms. So friends, lack of company's address, phone number and Vola Joy's reviews led us to believe that this website is suspicious, because no legitimate website attempt to hide all such crucial information. Therefore, in the final conclusion, We would suggest our viewers to stay away from such scam website. Friends, however, if you have ordered anything from this site, do share your VolaJoys reviews with us in the comment section below, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, guys. And if you have any money related problems, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Thank you guys, you have been a great audience. Stay safe, stay informed.